Hey, how's it going? As you know, there's a lot of apps in 2026 which were blocked by Amazon on Fire Stick devices. A lot of movie apps, TV shows, as well as live sports and live TV apps no longer work. So today I'll show you how to access this amazing alternative app store which has the newest versions of these apps, and you could still use them on your devices. The whole process will be pretty easy and it's gonna take you only a couple of minutes. And the first step is you'll have to get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get it totally for free. Just go to search on the device and start typing Downloader in a search bar. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. You just click on it, and here's that orange app, which you gotta get to your device now. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet, because obviously you still need to set it up. To do so, we go to Settings by clicking that button with a gear icon, then you scroll down and open My Fire TV. And from here, you'll have to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that is the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it said no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging in here, then you'll go to install unknown apps, and from here just locate Downloader and turn the options on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So yeah, just make sure the options for Downloader are turned on, and then we are free to return to the list of applications on your device. And there's the Downloader, which we just got. But before actually using Downloader, there is one more thing, which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they are super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device that you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Slovenia right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that is really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we head back to a list of apps on your device, open it up, and then it's time to use the Downloader now. So when you open it, you go to that search bar, And now we'll need to enter a link, which will be unlinked. Dot link. So it's unlinked.link. Enter it as you see and then click on go. By the way, yeah, make sure to enter it without making any mistakes, obviously. Then you click go, and then this web page is going to open up. Scroll down a bit and click on download APK for Android. And now the download of the app has started. And that took us only a couple of seconds, but in your case, of course, it will depend on your connection speed. Then you'll click install and wait until the installation process is fully finished on your device. After that, don't click open yet. Instead, it's better to press done, because this way you get that amazing opportunity to delete the installation files, which are not needed anymore. So click delete and then delete once again. And now we go back to settings actually one more time. So go to settings, open my Fire TV. Then you need to go to the developer options, install unknown apps. And this time we are looking for unlinked. So locate it and turn the option on as well, because we'll be using unlinked to get other applications from the internet for you as well. Then it's time to go and take a look at the list of applications on your device. So open it, and here is the unlinked, which we just got. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. You click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use my link below this video to get 3 months of Nord totally for free. Then we can go and finally open the unlinked on your device. So you open it up. Then you gotta click on add a new library. Click, and now it's time to enter one more code today. And the code is gonna be Firestick as a word. So yep, just enter Firestick. Let's do that together. We keep entering it. Yeah, enter Firestick, click next. And now you actually get access to loads of applications in this alternative app store. There are all kinds of apps, movie apps, TV shows, live TV, live sports, media players, pretty much any app that you might be looking for. And the majority of these apps are updated and should work in 2026 on your Fire Stick device. And you can even scroll down to filter apps by different categories, such as media players, live TV, movies, tools, and so on. So let's say if you are looking for movies, you would just go to that category and review what's available in here. Then you can just select any of the apps, click download, and the app will be successfully downloaded to your device. So I hope the video was helpful, and see you next time. Bye bye.